Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I want to bring you this video on how you can receive this instant approval $500 loan with possible finance. Now with this, there's no credit check. You don't need a credit history and you can build your credit with this loan. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, I give a free hard inquiry removal package at my website. So you guys can go there and download it. The link is in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. Also, I'm having an upcoming webinar to increase your credit score by 100 points fast. So if your resolution is to increase your credit score for 2023, make sure you sign up for the webinar. No matter where your credit score is, we're going to get your credit score up by 100 points, remove negative items from your credit report, and get you on the right track. Now, let's jump into possible finance. Now, with this, you can build your credit because with this loan, what they do is report this loan to the two of the three major credit bureaus. They'll report it to TransUnion and Equifax. So for people with very poor credit scores that can't get approved for loans or any type of trade line with this possible loan, they do say it can increase your credit score by 70 points in 4 months. Now, with these loans, it's a very short-term loan. And you can pay the loan off really quickly. That can help put positive payment history on your credit profile. Here's the requirements to qualify for the loan. You just need a phone that can install the Impossible app, a valid driver's license, or an ID or a passport, a social security number, and a compatible checking or savings account. Now, if you want to increase your likelihood of approval, you need a regular positive balance in your bank account, a minimum monthly income of $750, and consistent deposits into your account over time, infrequent return checks, or insufficient fund fees. Now, if you're a person with no credit history, they say after one loan, the average customer at least established a 570 credit score just with one loan if you have no credit history. So it's a good way for those that don't have any credit to build some credit history, and the average poor credit score will see a 70-point increase in their credit score over 4 months. So you can use this as a tool if you're a person with bad or troubled credit, or if you just need some quick cash in an emergency. Now, 90% of users will get an instant decision. This is an option if you need some fast funding. So, for example, if you apply for the loan before 2 p.m. on a weekday, the money will be deposited in your account the following business day. Now, this is like a payday loan alternative. So you can choose and change your payment date. So Possible allows borrowers to choose their payment date before signing the loan agreement. Now, you are allowed to change that payment date once during your repayment. Now, the con to this loan, they do have a 2% origination fee for the loan. Also, because it is a payday loan alternative and a short-term subprime loan, in some cases, the APR can be as high as 240%. So if you have a prime or a fair credit score, you may want to exercise other options. But if you have really poor credit, this can be a way for you to build your credit with a trade line. You must download the app in order to apply. So let's walk through some of these prompts with you so you know the steps that you're going to have to take in order to create an account and apply for this loan. You're going to have to enter your email address and create a password in order for you to create an account. That would be your first step. Now, once you create an account, they're going to ask you to verify some information. Now, the first thing they want you to verify is your phone number. So once you enter in your phone number, they will send you a verification code that you will enter to verify your information. Once you enter your verification code, it will ask you, would you like to enable notifications, or you can answer no thank you to continue on with the application. Then it will ask you for some more personal information, such as your date of birth and your name, and they will ask you for your address. Now, this loan is available in 21 states, and here are the listing of the states. So in order for you to qualify for the loan, you will have to reside in one of these states. Hopefully, this information was helpful to you. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments section. But if you have detailed questions about your own credit issues, contact me at my website. The link is in the description of the video, and download your free hard inquiry removal package. And I hope to see you guys in the next video, so stay tuned.